A huge population of the world believes financial freedom is all about being a billionaire with exotic cars, fancy houses, and an endless supply of cash. No matter how cool all this sounds, that's nowhere close to what financial freedom is. Wait till the end of this video for some pro tips about sustaining financial independence throughout your life. But first, let's discuss what financial freedom is all about. It's the ability of an individual to generate all their living expenses without the need to actively work for it. You have sufficient income from your assets to eat, clothe, and house yourself in the way to which you've become accustomed. Let's try and understand it with the help of an example. If your living expenses, including your rent, food, transport, etc., amount to approximately $12,000, your yearly trip expenses amount to about $4,000 and some major expenses amount to about $2,000 more, your total expenses for a year turn out to be $18,000. In this case, earning $1,500 per month without working actively implies financial freedom. You need to know that one doesn't need millions to be financially free. You just need a specific cash flow that you earn without involving any sort of work. Now, this money can be generated via income through investments such as your rental income, dividends on purchased shares, Airbnb rentals, YouTube channels, or being a silent partner in a company. However, you should note that one must not be earning this amount by working actively. The streams of income you generate to earn this money should be purely passive. Now, 99% of the people are stuck in the loop of earning money while actively working for it and using them for their daily expenses. If a person's living expense is $1,500 per month and he or she can earn it without doing any work, then they can be deemed as a financially independent person. But if another person's monthly expense is $5,000 and they're, for that matter, earning that huge amount to sustain their life, but at the same time cannot manage to earn that amount without working actively for it, then those people are not financially independent, as they cannot sustain their lives without working on a daily basis. It should be one's topmost priority to achieve financial freedom. Why is financial freedom so important? 1. Peace of mind. We're forced to make difficult decisions due to financial constraints. Waking up every day without the stress of earning your daily bread allows you to accomplish what you want rather than what's expected. You live your life your way in a stress-free environment. 2. Increases your risk-taking capacity. It helps in eliminating the fear of taking high risks in life. The fear of high risks isn't triggered by the thought of big gains or big profits, but a majority of them are constituted by huge losses. The reason why most people are not able to do big with their lives is that they're unwilling to take risks, which, if results in the generation of loss, can result in the entire financial security fading away. It's this fear that holds people from quitting their stable job schedules and not initiating or expanding on a business of their own. Financial freedom is all about creating a shield of financial security that helps you overcome such fears with a cushion of your passive income. 3. Control over your time. Financial liberty allows you to work how and when you want. As a result, you have complete control over how you spend your time. Some people may desire to continue medicine because they enjoy it. Others would leave right away and seek other aspirations. When all of your expenses are covered by other sources of revenue, the decision is yours to make. In this sense, financial independence entails practically freeing up your time. 4. Align your actions with your values. Now that you have the freedom to work how and when you want, you may make decisions that are more in accordance with your principles. You no longer have to work in a way that is purely motivated by profit. You set your own morals. Coming back to the tip we promised at the beginning of the video, while most people struggle just covering your expenses from your passive income to be financially independent, we recommend that you should have an income generated of at least 20% more than your monthly expenses. and invest them into appreciating assets to beat the increase in inflation. Now that you understand what being financially independent means, out of all of the benefits of financial freedom, which is the one that appeals to you the most? Let us know in the comments below.